Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify P2P lending risks with LendingClub, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify P2P lending risks with LendingClub, start by creating an account on their platform. Once you have access, familiarize yourself with the LendingClub interface. Navigate to the Invest section to gain insights into available investment opportunities. Review the various loan categories offered, such as personal loans, business loans, and auto loans. Pay close attention to the credit scores of borrowers listed on the platform. Understand that higher credit scores generally indicate lower default risks. Next, analyze the loan grades, which classify loans based on risk levels. Examine the historical performance data available for each loan grade. Look into the average returns for different loan grades to gauge potential earnings. Consider diversifying your investments across multiple loan grades to mitigate risks. Utilize the platform's filtering tools to select loans based on your risk tolerance. Investigate the borrower's financial background, reviewing any provided details. Check the loan purpose to assess whether it aligns with typical behavior for borrowers. Review the loan term and interest rates, as these can impact your risk exposure. Make use of LendingClub's statistical tools to analyze default rates for specific borrower types. Consider the impact of macroeconomic factors on default rates and borrower behavior. Stay informed about marketplace trends that can influence P2P lending sectors. Read the LendingClub community forums for insights and experiences from other investors. Keep an eye on any regulatory changes that may affect the P2P lending landscape. Regularly review your portfolio performance to identify any concerning trends. Reassess your investment strategy periodically based on changing market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.